updating apps in Windows 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all open your run command, then type here ws reset.exe, then click on OK. Wait for some time, then close this window, open your Windows settings, click on apps and features, then type here Microsoft Store. You can see here Microsoft Store. Click on three dots, click on advanced options. Here little bit scroll down, click on repair, wait for completion. Then click on reset. Before resetting, read this sentence. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign up details. Then click on OK. After reset, close this window. Again go to the Windows settings. Click on network and internet. Click on Wi-Fi properties. Then disable metered connection. Then close this window. After doing all these methods, once you restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.